Uno, dos, tres. Bienvenidos a Learn Spanish World with Mr. Briggs. Today, I'm bringing you an interesting video entitled How to Say It Doesn't Matter in Spanish. By the way, watch till the very end of the video as I have an important announcement to make. Hola, buenos días, buenas tardes y buenas noches. I'm bringing you a new phrase for you to learn. How to say it doesn't matter in Spanish. If you want to learn how to say it doesn't matter in Spanish, stay tuned. So let's get ready to learn this. But almost forgot. Click that red button and subscribe. If you want to learn Spanish on a regular basis, you gotta click that red button because I upload weekly. And sometimes consistency is the most important element when it comes to learning a language. Click the red button and let us begin. Listen carefully and repeat. Repite. It doesn't matter in Spanish is no importa. No importa. No importa. Repeat. Repite. No importa. One more time. No importa. No importa. If you want to say it doesn't matter what happens, you'd say no importa lo que pase. No importa lo que pase. Repeat. No importa lo que pase. No importa lo que pase. Otro ejemplo. Another example. It doesn't matter what you do. No importa lo que hagas. 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 Let's move on. If you want to say, it doesn't matter what you say, you would say, no importa lo que digas. 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 Siguiente ejemplo, next example. No matter how long it takes. No importa cuánto te demores. No importa cuánto te demores. Una vez más. One more time. No importa cuánto te demores. Excelente. Please make sure that you repeat after me. We're going to say it doesn't matter in Spanish. No importa. No importa. Otra vez. One more time. No importa. No importa. No importa. No importa. Muy bien. So how did you go with the sentences and the phrases? How did you find them? Easy? Fácil? Difícil? Difficult? It doesn't matter if you found them easy or difficult. The importance is to practice, practice, and practice. If you found them easy, fantastico. That means that you are on your way to learning the language. But if you didn't find them easy, that's okay. You don't have to worry about it. It doesn't matter. No importa. Porque tienes que practicar español regularmente. It is so important to learn every week a few words and sentences in order to build your repertoire of words and sentences in Spanish. And little by little, just like when you do a puzzle, you will complete this beautiful linguistic puzzle. And just like when you are completing a puzzle, by learning words and phrasing and building your repertoire of words in Spanish, you will be able to master the language. Muy bien. Now the time is for me to speak in Spanish to help my more advanced students to practice their listening skills. Now, if you're not an advanced student, don't go away. Make sure you watch the video until the very end. I also got a little surprise for you at the end. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ahora voy a hablar en español. No importa si no hablas español perfectamente. No importa si solamente conoces palabras básicas, porque poco a poco vas a lograr dominar este idioma. Pero es muy importante que escuches atentamente cada lección y que repitas las frases y las palabras que te enseño. Tú eres una persona muy inteligente y tienes mucho potencial. Puedes lograr aprender este idioma, el cual es relativamente fácil en comparación a otros lenguajes. El español y el inglés son lenguajes europeos. Tienen muchas cosas en común. Claro, por supuesto, no son exactamente el mismo idioma, son lenguajes diferentes. Sin embargo, tanto el inglés como el español tienen muchas palabras que derivan del latín. Entonces tenemos muchas cosas en común. Excelente. I hope you understood at least a few words here and there. As you progress in your Spanish learning journey, you realize one day that little by little, you'll be able to understand more and more vocabularies, more and more sentences until the day comes when you'll be able to understand everything that I say during these exercises. Muy bien, amigos, I'm happy to tell you that finally we finished term 3 and I have 2 weeks off, so I'm currently working in some new projects and new videos. I'm going to introduce a new video format as well. I hope that you enjoy them. So check around either tomorrow or the day after. I will be uploading an additional video for you to tell me what do you think about that new format. I'm going on a holiday. I'm going overseas to a different country and I'm bringing the camera with me. And I want you to share that experience with me by learning Spanish. Muy bien, my dear amigos. I hope to see you tomorrow or the day after when I upload this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you once again for watching my videos. It means so much to me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I hope to see you soon. Take care, cuídate mucho y nos vemos. Adiós.
And by the way, as I said earlier on the video, I'm testing a new format of videos. I love traveling and I thought, why don't I mix travel vlogs with Spanish? So what I'll do, I'll be uploading a video and I will be sharing some of the places I visited, and at the same time I will be helping you to learn Spanish. So if you want to check these videos out, I should be uploading a new one in the next couple of days. So depending on the response, if people like them, I will continue uploading more of these travel vlogs in Spanish. It's a bit of a combination of both. So hopefully you will enjoy these videos, and if it has a good response, I'll continue uploading a few more. But in the meantime, I'm going to test this new format. I hope to like it. So I hope to see you in a couple of days. Nos vemos. Chao, chao.